Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, you've just installed Manjaro Linux and you're ready to dive into this amazing Arch-based distro. But wait, before you start exploring, there are a few essential things you should do to set up your system for maximum productivity, performance, and fun. In this video, I'll walk you through the top things to do after installing Manjaro. Let's get started. Trust me, you'll want to set up backups right away. Timeshift is installed by default. Just configure it to take regular snapshots of your system. This will save you if anything goes wrong down the line. It will ask you for your password, which is a good thing. Enter it to open Timeshift. Just leave the default and click Next. Wait for it to finish calculating the system size. Leave the default and click Next. Timeshift offers different snapshot levels based on the retention and frequency of snapshots. These levels help manage disk space and ensure users have recovery points at various intervals. Each level can be configured with retention policies to limit the number of snapshots stored, preventing excessive disk usage. Home directories are excluded by default, but you can add them if you want. The setup is now complete. Snapshots will be taken at specific times automatically, but you can also create a snapshot manually. When updating software with Pacman, avoid using sy alone, as it refreshes the package database without upgrading our installed packages, potentially leading to dependency issues. The S flag in Pacman stands for sync, which means install or update packages. The Y flag refreshes the package database. To keep your system fully synchronized, always use SYU instead. After a fresh install, it's crucial to update your entire system to ensure you have the latest software and security patches. To do this, run this command, which refreshes the package database and installs all available updates. Next, speed up mirrors. For faster downloads, Manjaro lets you prioritize faster download mirrors to speed up package installations. Before modifying the mirror list, it's recommended to create a backup by running this command. This command refreshes the mirror list and selects the 6 fastest mirrors available, improving download speeds for package updates and installations. After running it, you should synchronize your package database with this command. This ensures your system is fully up to date with the new mirrors. You can also select servers from specific countries. This command updates the mirror list to include only servers from the specified countries. This can be useful for faster downloads if you choose geographically closer mirrors. Better reliability by using trusted regional servers. After running this command, you should update the package database and upgrade your system. You can always revert to the backup to restore the mirror list. Manjaro does a great job detecting hardware, but let's double check. Open Manjaro Settings Manager, then Hardware Configuration, and install any missing drivers, especially for graphics cards and Wi-Fi adapters. Select the auto-install drivers. Want access to thousands of additional apps? Enable the AUR in PAMAC Add. Remove software under Preferences, then Third Party. This unlocks community-maintained software. I will show you later how to enable that. First, for easy AUR installations, set up Yay as an AUR helper. Start by running this command. This command installs Git and base development, which are commonly required for building software from the AUR and compiling programs from source. This command downloads the Yay AUR helper's source code to your local machine. Yay is a popular tool that simplifies installing and managing AUR packages. After cloning the repository, navigate into the downloaded directory and build or install Yay. There is an example video in the video description of how to install, say, Google Chrome using AUR. If your root partition is on an SSD, enabling TRIM is essential. After installing Manjaro, Trim helps clean unused blocks and extend your SSD's lifespan. To enable Trim on Manjaro, run the following command. I will not run it myself since I am not using SSD. To list the installed kernels, you can use this command. Manjaro makes it easy to install and manage different Linux kernels. You can install a kernel using either Manjaro Settings Manager, GUI, or the terminal. To install a specific kernel, you can use this command. I have 612 installed. If I want, say, 613, I will just add it like this and run the command. After installing a new kernel, reboot your system for the changes to take effect. Also enable Snap or Flatpak support. For even more software options, you can enable support for snaps and flatpaks directly from PAMAC GUI Package Manager. From here, enable AUR, Snap, or Flatpak support. I will enable AUR later. Enable firewall protection. Linux is known for being a highly secure operating system out of the box, you don't have to deal with malware or bother installing antivirus software like you would on other platforms. That said, adding an extra layer of security by enabling a firewall is always a good idea. It makes your system even more resilient against potential threats. Luckily, Manjaro comes with a powerful yet user-friendly firewall tool called UFW, Uncomplicated Firewall. While UFW is a command line utility, Manjaro also includes GUFW, a graphical interface that makes configuring your firewall as easy as a few clicks. Last but not least, join the amazing Manjaro forums, Reddit, and Discord communities. If you run into issues, you'll find plenty of help from fellow users. And that's it. Those are my top 10 things to do after installing Manjaro. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more Linux tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.